Hi, Ashmiz Amazing World is back with another interesting video. In this video, we will explore our creativity together and we'll have a lot of fun. So watch the video till the end, and if you enjoy it, then subscribe to Ashmiz Amazing World. We are gonna paint this sling bag first, and this is our color palette. So we will quickly mix and prepare our colors. I've done a sketch of this geometric drawing representing an elephant, and we are gonna just fill different colors in each triangle quickly. We might have to give it a double coat. After drying, we will border it to make it look better. And we are done! For the next painting, we will take this black pouch and we will draw some stems using green fabric paint. Let's add some leaves. And now add some bright white flowers. Now let's quickly do the details. Next, we will draw some more flowers in the empty area using yellow and some decoration with leaves. Almost done. Okay, let's add a nice coat. And we are done. Here, I have done a cute sketch on a sling bag, and we will paint it together. For the first figure, I will use sky blue. For the other figure, let's use pink as they make a good combination. Now it's time to outline and do the details. Let's add some hearts to make it cuter. And our cute sling bag is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then click the subscribe button. It encourages me to make more amazing contents. I will come up with another video next week. Till then, be amazing!